Trains are an important part of Bardstown's history. The Kentucky Railway Museum is a major destination for train enthusiasts and families from around the world. The museum is located in an exact replica of the original New Haven, Kentucky depot and is filled with model train layouts to delight children of all ages and exhibits reminiscent of the days when railroad tracks were the superhighways of America. Once you depart the depot, enjoy a relaxing 22-mile journey through the scenic and historic Rolling Fork River Valley, powered by the only L&N steam locomotive in operation today. Or revisit the days of fine dining aboard restored 1940s dining cars on my old Kentucky dinner train. You'll dine on fine cuisine and enjoy a front row seat to Nelson County's picturesque terrain as you travel along the Bardstown-Louisville corridor, originally charted in 1860. Enjoy both of these unique attractions when you visit Bardstown.